Unlock financial freedom with 5 side hustles. Launch a YouTube channel. Evergreen content earns through ads and sponsors. Target a specific audience. Become a service arbitrager. Sell services, outsource the work, and pocket the difference. Monetize newsletters. Build an email list and earn through sponsors or selling products. Join TikTok Shop as an affiliate. Create videos promoting products and earn commissions. Flip clothes on Vint. Resell clothing for profit. Cypher Cash, your key to financial independence. Take control of your finances, build your empire. Imagine a life where financial freedom is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. This freedom allows you to work from anywhere on your own terms. This is the promise of a faceless YouTube channel. It's a powerful and lucrative side hustle that does not require you to ever show your face. Many successful channels thrive without their creators ever appearing on camera. Your voice and content are what truly matter. First, select a niche you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Script writing is crucial for engaging narratives. Then, record clear voiceovers to deliver your message effectively. Video editing transforms raw footage into polished content. Understanding SEO ensures your videos reach the right audience. You can learn these skills through free online tutorials. Affordable courses on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy are also helpful. Consistent practice is key. AI tools can significantly aid in script generation. They also help with voiceover creation and editing, streamlining your content production. Find a niche you are knowledgeable and passionate about, like finance, technology, or business. Create a detailed content plan, brainstorming specific video ideas. Set up your channel with compelling branding. Create and upload your first few videos, focusing on high-quality visuals and clear audio. Promote your content across other social media channels. Engage with your audience to foster growth. Monetization primarily comes from YouTube AdSense. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote relevant products. Sponsorships offer direct payments from brands. Additional methods include channel memberships and merchandise shelves. You can also sell digital products and license your content. Realistically, earnings can start from a few $100s a month. Some faceless channels earn 5 to 6 figures annually. It takes time and consistency to achieve financial success. Many aspiring creators face hurdles, such as a lack of consistency. Choosing the wrong niche or producing poor quality content can also hinder progress. Giving up too soon, ignoring SEO, or chasing trends are common pitfalls. Remember, these are learning and high-value earning opportunities. The keys to success lie in consistency, providing value, and patience. Are you searching for a powerful way to build a flexible and profitable online business without needing to be an expert in everything? Welcome to the world of service arbitrage, a dynamic business model that empowers you to connect clients with skilled freelancers and earn a significant profit. Service arbitrage, also known as drop servicing, is essentially acting as a strategic middleman. You sell a service to a client at one price, then outsource its fulfillment to a third party, a freelancer, at a lower cost. The difference between what you charge the client and what you pay the freelancer becomes your profit. This model allows you to run a thriving business without needing to possess every skill yourself, focusing instead on marketing and project management. To excel in service arbitrage, you need to develop strong marketing, organizational, and communication skills. There are numerous online resources, courses, and communities dedicated to teaching these essential business fundamentals. Start by identifying a profitable niche, such as graphic design, social media management, or web creation, that aligns with market demand. Next, find reliable freelancers on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or through professional social media networks. Carefully vet their portfolios, experience, and communication skills to ensure quality. Build a professional brand identity, perhaps with a clean website, to showcase your services and attract clients. Market your services through social media, content marketing, or even direct outreach to potential clients. Effective project management is crucial. Set clear goals, timelines, and maintain open communication with both clients and freelancers. Many aspiring entrepreneurs falter due to poor communication or by hiring low-quality freelancers. To succeed, prioritize rigorous vetting of freelancers, ensuring they meet your quality standards. Always establish clear contracts that outline expectations, deliverables, and payment terms. Providing excellent customer service is paramount. Happy clients lead to repeat business and valuable referrals. The earning potential in service arbitrage is substantial, ranging from a few hundred to thousands of dollars per month. Your profit depends on your pricing strategy and the efficiency of your outsourcing. High-end projects like software development or web development naturally offer greater returns. Service arbitrage offers a scalable, low overhead, and flexible path to entrepreneurship. By mastering marketing, organization, and quality control, you can build a highly recommended, valuable, and truly rewarding business. Start your journey today and unlock your potential in the exciting world of service arbitrage. Are you ready to transform your passion into a profitable side hustle? Building a successful newsletter can be your pathway to financial independence and creative fulfillment. It all begins with identifying your unique niche. What specific subject area truly excites you and resonates with a dedicated audience? This focus is crucial for attracting and retaining subscribers. Next, cultivate your content creation skills. High-quality, engaging, and valuable content is the cornerstone of any thriving newsletter, ensuring your readers keep coming back for more. Understanding basic marketing fundamentals is also key. Learn how to effectively promote your newsletter and strategically grow your subscriber base from the ground up. Familiarize yourself with email marketing best practices to optimize deliverability and engagement, ensuring your messages reach and resonate with your audience. Working from home offers incredible flexibility. Designate a quiet, productive workspace where you can focus without distractions, fostering creativity and efficiency. Establish a consistent schedule for content creation, promotion, and subscriber interaction. Effective time management is vital for maintaining momentum and avoiding burnout. Utilize productivity tools for writing, editing, and scheduling. These resources enhance your efficiency, allowing you to maximize your output and streamline your workflow. Platforms like Behave offer robust tools for creating, sending, and monetizing newsletters. They provide options for paid subscriptions and integrated ad networks. Choose a platform with an intuitive interface to simplify management. Ensure it supports various monetization methods like sponsorships, affiliate links, and premium content. Monetization strategies are diverse. Consider sponsorships and newsletter ads, partnering with businesses to promote their products or services within your content. Affiliate marketing allows you to include links to products or services, earning a commission on sales generated through those links, typically ranging from 5% to 30%. Offer premium subscriptions for exclusive content, in-depth analyses, or bonus materials. This provides a recurring revenue stream from your most engaged readers. You can also sell digital products like ebooks or templates, or offer coaching and consulting services, positioning yourself as an expert in your chosen niche. Avoid common pitfalls by defining clear, measurable goals for your newsletter. A lack of objectives can lead to aimless content and wasted effort. Never ignore your audience's needs. Tailor your content to provide genuine value, as irrelevant content can quickly lead to high unsubscribe rates. Maintain a regular publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged and build trust. Inconsistency can erode reader loyalty and interest. Always track key metrics like open rates and click-through rates. Analyzing performance helps identify areas for improvement and refine your strategy. To ensure success, focus on building an engaged audience and fostering a strong connection with your readers. Their loyalty is your greatest asset. Provide unique insights, helpful tips, or exclusive content that your audience cannot find elsewhere. This value proposition sets you apart. Be consistent with your publishing schedule and maintain a consistent brand voice. This builds reliability and strengthens your brand identity. Promote your newsletter using social media, guest blogging, and other marketing tactics to continuously attract new subscribers and expand your reach. Continuously monitor your newsletter's performance and adapt your strategy based on the data. Agility is crucial in the evolving digital landscape. Potential earnings are significant. Paid newsletters can charge $5 to $50 plus per month, providing stable, recurring subscription revenue. Sponsorships can earn you anywhere from $100 to $10,000 plus per ad, depending on your newsletter's size, niche, and engagement. Affiliate marketing offers commissions for every sale through your links, while the lifetime value of subscribers can be substantial, especially in B2B niches. By following these steps and continuously adapting, you can build a profitable, high-paying, and sustainable newsletter side hustle, achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. Have you ever wondered how to turn your passion for social media into a real income stream right from the comfort of your home? TikTok Shop Affiliate offers an incredible opportunity to do just that, allowing creators to earn commissions by promoting products directly within their engaging video content. It bridges the gap between sellers and influencers, transforming your short-form videos into a powerful sales tool where you earn a commission when viewers purchase through your unique links. To get started, you generally need to be at least 18 years old and have a minimum of 5,000 followers, though some regions might offer a pilot program with a lower requirement of 1,000 followers. You also need to ensure full compliance with TikTok's community guidelines and content policies to maintain your eligibility. If you meet the follower requirements, you can apply directly through TikTok Studio by navigating to monetization, then TikTok Shop for Creator. Alternatively, if you do not yet meet the follower count, you can sign up for a TikTok Shop seller account to begin your journey. Once approved, you will gain access to the TikTok Shop Affiliate Center, where you can browse a wide array of available products. It's crucial to select items that genuinely fit your niche and resonate with your audience's interests for maximum impact. After selecting products, you will need to apply to promote specific items from sellers, initiating the next step in your affiliate journey. The final step involves creating engaging and authentic content that effectively showcases these products. Consistency is paramount, so aim to post regularly to keep your audience engaged and your content fresh. To truly master the ropes, utilize official TikTok resources and the TikTok Affiliate Hub for comprehensive guides and strategies. Explore the wealth of knowledge available through YouTube tutorials and various blogs for additional tips and best practices. Engage with online communities and groups to learn from the experiences and insights of other successful affiliates. However, many aspiring affiliates encounter common pitfalls, such as promoting irrelevant products that don't align with their audience's interests, leading to low conversions. Overly sleazy content also deters viewers. Authenticity is key on TikTok, so focus on storytelling and genuine enthusiasm rather than hard selling. A lack of engagement, like ignoring comments, can make your content feel transactional and impersonal. Inconsistency in posting or a poor video strategy with unengaging hooks can also significantly hinder your progress. The blueprint for success emphasizes authenticity. Promote products you genuinely believe in and would use yourself. Foster engagement by interacting with your audience, responding to comments, and building a strong sense of community. Persistence is crucial. Consistently create and post content, leveraging TikTok features like popular sounds and hashtags to boost organic reach. Choose products relevant to your niche with a proven sales record, and create compelling videos with clear demonstrations and strong calls to action. Analyze your performance using TikTok's analytics and adapt your strategy accordingly to continuously improve. Commission rates on TikTok Shop typically range from 5% to 30%, with some premium products offering up to 50%, varying by product category. Earnings can range from a few $100s per month for beginners to tens of thousands for top performers, influenced by the best content quality and audience targeting. Factors like content quality, audience targeting, and conversion optimization skills significantly affect your potential earnings. Avoid common mistakes such as making exaggerated claims, providing false product information, or using celebrity clips without permission. Always create original videos, ensure you tag the correct product, and have the product on hand when recording to maintain credibility. TikTok Shop Affiliate is more than just a side hustle. It's a valuable pathway to financial independence and creative expression. Embrace the valuable and profitable journey, stay authentic, and unlock your full earning potential. Are you ready to transform your passion for fashion into a profitable side hustle, all from the comfort of your home? Vintage reselling offers an incredible opportunity to earn extra income by simply flipping clothes you already own or find at bargain prices. It's a powerful platform where you can turn forgotten wardrobe items into cash, making it an ideal venture for aspiring entrepreneurs. At its core, vintage reselling is about buying items at a low price and selling them for a higher one, leveraging the platform's vast user base. To master the skill, begin by researching popular brands and understanding current fashion trends that are in high demand. Start small, perhaps with items from your own closet, to gain experience before investing in larger inventories. Getting started is straightforward. First, set up your vintage profile, ensuring it looks professional and trustworthy. Next, find clothes to flip. This could be from local thrift stores, consignment shops, or even forgotten treasures in your own wardrobe. Once you have your items, taking attractive, well-lit photos is crucial for catching a buyer's eye. Finally, write compelling descriptions that highlight the item's features, condition, and unique selling points. While Vintage is a fantastic starting point, other platforms like Depop and Poshmark also offer similar reselling opportunities. Potential earnings vary widely. You could make a small side income of a few $100s a month or a more substantial amount. Your success largely depends on your effort, strategy, and consistency in listing and engaging with buyers. Many aspiring resellers face challenges like slow sales, dealing with difficult buyers, or picking items that don't sell well. However, these pitfalls can be avoided with a few key strategies for success. Consistency in listing new items and excellent customer service are paramount for building a positive reputation. Smart sourcing, focusing on quality and desirable brands, will significantly increase your chances of quick sales. Reinvesting a portion of your profits back into your inventory allows your business to grow sustainably. Vintage reselling is more than just selling clothes. It's about building a sustainable income stream and embracing entrepreneurship. Remember, every successful, valuable, and profitable journey begins with a single step, and your vintage venture is no exception. Start today, apply these strategies, and watch your side hustle flourish into something truly rewarding. Are you tired of the 9 to 5? Start building a real income from your laptop today. Forget dropshipping and crypto. Discover 5 real side hustles making people thousands. First, a niched YouTube channel lets you monetize your passion and expertise online. Next, service arbitrage connects clients with freelancers, allowing you to earn a profit. Building a newsletter on a specific topic can generate income through PDFs and memberships. Becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate lets you promote products through engaging, viral videos. Finally, vintage reselling involves buying and selling clothes, turning items into cash. Want to master these skills? Like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell. Start now.